Today, we had to do a side skirt on this G37. Waiting for it to come before I could start it. This is the box right there. We're about to prep it, you know, get it together. So when it comes, I could just slap it on there. All right, so let's do that right now. Let's get it. Okay, this is it right here. Give you some screws there. Screw it on there. But I'm gonna use some self-tap screws. Self-drill. These are gonna be useless. I mean, you could try, but if you're just drilling in the plastic, of course, you already know, carbon fiber about to go on there. Alright. Let me open the rest. The same process like the splitter. Okay. You see, you're gonna use the screws to screw these. Okay, as you see, this is the back. This should be the back. This is the passenger side, back. It's the driver's side, back. Okay. Now we have to put these together like so. Okay, like this is gonna be, all right, this is gonna be, that's the driver's side. Then we're gonna get the middle right here. It's the middle. Just put that on there like so. Now let's put it on the holes. Just go down. Now we're gonna take the screw and screw it in there, and this one will go over there in the front. Okay, as you're saying, set the screws and put this together like so. Put the screws right here. They gave you. Screw that in. Right there. So nice and sturdy. Not sturdy, but it's flat. Okay, now let's do this. This is the front right here. I just push it, put it down. So it's flat. Some screws. Okay, that's done. It's right here. This is the driver's side. Okay? So you can't get those confused. Okay, do the passenger side. Okay. So okay, this is the passenger side, as you see. Okay, now we're just waiting for the car to come in, and we'll slap these on there. Okay. This is before the skirt. Maybe over here I might have to cut it a little bit so it could look a little more flush. But other than that, this is it right here. Okay, let's get the skirt. Okay, see, I jacked it up. I got a safety jack on there, never know. So I got it far enough where I want to put the splitter. So now we're gonna, not splitter, the side skirt. Now we're gonna measure it, see how we're gonna put this on, all right? Okay, so this is type long, so we might have to cut it in the front some more. Cause, well, not some more, but we need to cut it. Cause this thing, you just line it up like this and leave it there. And yeah, gonna leave it like that. You see the gap? Do the same thing over there in the front. So we're gonna get some screws and try to screw this in. Okay, this is how we're looking right now. Just like this. Over here, if your side skirt's not that great in shape, you see how this thing's stuck to there? It's not really leaning like this. So that's gonna happen. It might happen to yours too. So this is how it looks. Okay. Make sure your kids, or you know, make sure you tell people that's not a step, cause when they step on that shit gonna crack. Then you're gonna be tight. So make sure you tell people it's not a step. You see over here, I'm gonna cut here a little more so it could be even with this. But other than that, that's how you do it. So I'm gonna do this same thing on the other side. Okay, same process. Oh yeah, and I cut over here so it could, you see, be a little flatter. Put nails in there. I put at least eight nails in there. I might put more. So I want this thing sturdy, you know? So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side and show you the rest when I'm done. Show you a little trick. This thing is, you know, leaning on there, like I showed you before. You see how it's leaning like this? You see this rubber piece? Take this rubber piece, it's like a 5/8 rubber piece, and I'm gonna just stick it in there. I'm gonna put a nail right through it so it can stay like that. And you see the difference? You see the space? So I'm gonna put a nail in there and it's gonna stay just like that. There you have it. This is the other side. Finished. Done deal. There you go. Before, after. Other side. And that's how you install side skirt on his G37. If it helps you out, give me a like and subscribe. Later.